Welcome to our video on making money in 2025 with AI-powered translation services. Let's dive into this exciting opportunity. The translation industry is evolving rapidly. By 2025, the demand for translation services is projected to soar, offering unique opportunities. To excel in this field, it's crucial to understand the core AI technologies driving these advancements: machine learning and natural language technologies. Identify profitable niches like business, legal, and medical translations to maximize your earnings in this growing market. Setting up your AI translation business requires the right tools and platforms. Let's explore some of the best options. Marketing your services effectively is key to attracting and retaining clients in this competitive space. By leveraging AI, you can ensure high-quality outputs while enhancing your efficiency. Build a strong portfolio supported by testimonials to establish credibility and attract new clients. Consider exploring passive income streams through subscription models that can provide a steady revenue flow. As we look ahead, it's essential to stay informed about future trends and innovations in the field of AI translation services.